What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit all that comment, all that good stuff. Share the video, all that good stuff. Today we're doing a spontaneous river rafting. That's where I'm going today. River rafting, about 2 hours away from here, from the city. Shit, I got my stuff, getting ready to do this whole vlog thing. My girl just left without me. I'm gonna catch up with her. I ain't really tripping. We're supposed to be there like at 10:30. It's 8:30. I'll be there a couple minutes late, but it's all good. But again, welcome back to the channel. Hit all that good stuff. I'm about to be out. I need to get the hell up out of here. Look at her, look at her. She mad, but she got her cup of coffee and she's still mad. So it's about what? 8:52 in the morning.
Explain it. I want you to tell them why I'm upset. I want to be out here by 8:15. I told you this yesterday. You said okay. You see me get up and everything. You know how long you take. You know you take your time. And it's like the time I set yesterday was nothing. It was like bullshit. Like you didn't care. Again. When it comes to shit like that. So that's why I'm upset. That's why I got upset. And you haven't said like, babe, I'm sorry, that was late, my bad, or whatever. Te vale. Le vale.
I told them already ahead of time, bro. I'm not waking up hella early to be there on time for your shit. They said, all right. So here we are.
We are a couple.
So here we are.
Okay, fine, yeah, whatever.
Then,
you know what, whatever. We're already driving there. So I'm not even tripping no more. I just wanted to get it off my chest that I was upset that I gave you a set time and you weren't ready.
23, 24 people?
we got 24 people about to be on this river raft.
I brought a little speaker too.
Oh yeah, we brought a little speaker for some. All I want to know, will I be able to use the bathroom when I need to get off the boat?
Yeah, well, nigga, it's wild though. Ain't no bathroom using.
Right. I'm gonna let you know, I ain't a qualified swimmer like that. So if one of y'all fall off the boat, start going down river, I'll see you at the end.
Hey, bro, that go for everybody.
That go for everybody. I ain't jumping in for your ass, but I'll see you at the end.
We just got here less than ago.
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes of you.
And he keeps talking shit low key. And no, pues.
Yeah, she's
you
over
got
here,
VIP parking.
She's over here trying to leave at 8 in the morning. I was like,
I said,
exactly right.
I said we're gonna get out of here by
Vámonos.
8:15. We didn't get by 8:20. I was pissed.
Well, you don't know because sometimes traffic.
Yeah.
Traffic.
I didn't put you
at 8 in the morning.
Like, where you guys at? Where you guys at? You guys went on us. That's what I hate.
Estaba
That.
diciendo, tenés que ir a dormir allá. I was already thinking of bringing the camping site over here y dormir.
You two need to go. You two need to go.
Y ahí venían, no, que vamos tarde, que todo eso, like, man.
We're gonna be late.
I went on a red light and then I went on a stop sign because hurt.
Let me take it. No, you didn't. You're such a liar.
Dude, exagerado. Sos como este.
No, no
He's
jodan
not gonna let me
ustedes.
live this
Claro,
life.
tenían que hacer.
It's the principle.
What's up, cuz? The man who orchestrated it all.
What's up, bro?
What's up, cuz?
How you doing, my nigga?
Good, good.
Yeah, I mean, you ready?
Huh?
You ready, nigga?
Not yet.
Nuts, bro.
What's up, Liz?
Hi. What's up, girl?
What's up, Art?
I'ma die.
Uh-huh.
No,
I'm gonna die.
No, I'm like nightmare. I'm scared, but
What's up, cuz? What's up with you, boy? What's up, princess? Hey! We got some more joining the party. What's up, Paco?
Alex is down there.
Yes.
What's up, Rihanna?
Tony, where's the check-in?
All the way down there.
What's up, Jen? Wanna wave at the GoPro?
Hey, Jen.
Wanna wave at it, boy? I gotta capture this on camera. I don't see you guys so often. Say hi to the GoPro or something. To the vlog, to the YouTube channel. Y'all gonna Y'all ready to be YouTube channel?
Shout out.
God damn, look at all this. That's the fan band.
Mi tía sí was
Let me see your IDs. IDs, whoever's coming on. I need to see your wristbands.
I need to see your vaccination card. Your vaccination card?
My vaccination card.
It's in my car.
I already had my shot. Thank you very much. Spread your cheeks and cough.
There we go. Great. I feel good now. You look freaking.
He's like, mine's perfect.
Deb. What? These are like the, you might want two. No. I'm not trying to get you.
Don't give me a video.
Don't.
Your career is about to get ruined.
Again!
Please make sure you dig in deep and push hard every single time. The water is very low, so you will be needing to power a lot. Please make sure that the water goes above the yellow part of your paddle. And if you ever want to go ahead and stop, slow down, and go backwards, just go ahead and backwards paddle just like this, and you'll be all good, okay? Alrighty. Are we all ready to get in the water? Yes, sir. Yeah, awesome. All right.
Don't sound ready.
Y'all have fun out there. Hello.
Okay, hold on because this.
Suck it up! Suck it up! Girl, this is gonna be the rest of the trip. It's gonna be like that. Raise them up, raise them up.
Raise up your pedal.
Raise up your paddles. Woo! All right, this our tour guide.
Yeah.
Wait, we have to follow.
Dude, I feel like my leg is like, oh my god.
Yeah.
That's how fast.
Yeah.
Forward. Go back, go back, go back.
Reverse. Okay, so no, I can't even reverse. No, not you.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Reverse. Put your head down. Put it down. Put it down.
When you say fuck it.
Oh, shit, there it goes. Oh, we're coming, yo.
Okay.
Bro.
You get the pedal to
Bro.
do that, Tony.
I'm the cameraman. I'm the cameraman.
My poor Jocelyn, mírala.
Yeah, come on, get it, boo. Get it, girl. Come on. Yeah.
That's a L'Oreal's right there. You know what I'm saying?
Stretch.
That's L'Oreal's right there. You know what I'm saying?
I have to be the back of the. Oh, this a river. Oh, this a real river. Oh shit, I'm putting this shit back in, bro. Hey, I'm letting Jesus take the wheel, nigga. Hey, I hope you have. I hope you believe in a God.
Backside pedal.
At this point, you can't even fight the water. You just gotta go with it. So we had to make a stop from all the rowing. This is the break time.
He's like,
Passing the goods.
he's like, well, you got Paco, Raul, alcohol. He's like, I'm gonna hit these guys. I feel like y'all get in.
Meal time, break time. From all the rowing, all the splashing, and all that cold ass water.
It was a really good sandwich. What's that?
Modelo.
They didn't talk about shrimp.
Okay, what you got there?
Was macaroni salad.
The best shrimp sandwich.
What's up, Artie? What you eating there?
Right.
Well, I didn't know that.
Started with
Everybody was gonna bring
macaroni and
something.
cheese.
Well, like main dishes, so I was like, damn, like.
So how y'all feeling?
Good. You ready?
What y'all doing over here?
YouTube, so you get famous, shout out my Instagram. It's for being in your video, I'm part of the money.
That's only if I make money off the video.
So you don't
Oh!
have to hit record the whole time.
I'm just gonna beep that out when you said there, and then we're gonna continue from there. And be like, you wanna see me on YouTube?
No, I called off from work. Supposedly I'm sick. I'm not here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you said it on camera. You're not supposed to say that. You don't know what.
Blurb it up.
You won't know what day you called in sick when the video go up.
Oh wait, doesn't it say the
Busted.
date? It says the date when you upload it.
Yeah, but that won't be until a little while though. Hey, he like, I ain't had this much action in years. This is what we needed. This is what we needed. Yeah, look at his face. Look at it.
Fun man. Hey.
Yeah, you live life on the edge, don't you?
Yeah, you got that right.
Go break. I gotta hold it. You good?
Tony, get in.
You want me to get that?
The back gets the most wet.
Over and out. We out. We out, team. We out. Vámonos a la verga.
Paco, you're getting in. How are you gonna get in?
This guy is sliding. Don't fall out, baby.
I'm trying to position myself.
Don't fall out, baby.
There we go.
I ain't doing nothing. Let it just take us.
We have children. Don't do it.
Don't do it, Ariana. Don't want it.
You don't want this fight. We'll take your children and women first. No, paddle, paddle.
Don't get her. Oh, shit. Get it.
My sandals.
Go get him.
They're right there.
Go get him here. Stop it.
Get the sandals.
Hurry up, bro. Alright, get the sandals. Right there. There's one right there. Get the sandals.
Los chanclas. All right, we made it. We made it. We're heading back. Let's start, cuz.
You recommend that again?
Fuck no.
Fuck no.
Fuck no. How many miles you said?
7.
7 miles.
7 or 8. But it was fun.
On a river. It was fun, though.
Yeah.
It was fun.
This is my first
But the
time
bus
doing
ride
it.
gonna be a what?
Like a 10-15 minute drive
A
back.
10-minute, 15-minute drive back. And it took us 5 hours to get down the river. Ain't that about a bitch? We out the party bus. Going back to the cars. It's over. Hey, look. So we're on our way to In-N-Out, get something to eat, because we're starving like a boy named Marvin.
We're starving like Marvin. Yes, Raul, they was so fun. Sorry.
Big thanks to you, cuz, for putting this trip together. We got the whole fam bam together, at least a majority of them, or a lot of them, I should say. And it looked like everyone had fun. It looked like the trip was fun. Everyone got together. We all had fun. So yeah, big thanks. We did, in a sense, we did this for you, cuz. I was like, river rafting. Hell no, I ain't gonna.
You know your cousin Tony don't be doing no damn river
doing none of
rafting.
this, bro, on a river. Nah, man. But you've been saying this for a long time, cuz, so you know it was about time for it to actually happen. I was like, yeah, fuck it.
And it was super duper fun because it was like a big group of us too, so it was fun.
Here we are. In and out. We got the food.
I already opened my animal safari jar. I had to. It's too hungry.
She's already grabbing and eating on it. You gonna put no ketchup on that?
Oh what? No.
I don't want to later. So you got the same thing as I did. You want the same one?
So I knew I was gonna get onions right here, so they put the thick one.
So we got 2 double doubles, 1 regular fry, 1 animal style fry over there. She got herself a Sprite or a 7-Up.
I mix it with lemonade, sugar free.
Like sugar free.
Yeah, it's sugar free lemonade.
What you put in your hair, ho buddy?
Oh, butter. That's the best. What was the other one? You ever been so high?
Oh, you ever been so high that everything stopped moving, but the only thing that's growing is your fingernails?
That's the one right there. Oh.
Alright.
Oh my
Oh yeah, we're gonna finish this.
God. Bye.